guys, I'm Chika and welcome to this episode of Borrowed Delights. Today I'm sharing with you how to make my morning glory muffins. So for these muffins you're going to need some cake flour, baking powder, salt, nutmeg, and cinnamon. You're also going to use 3 eggs, sugar, some pureed pineapple, and I just used the canned stuff, some raisins, and you're going to want to soak your raisins in hot water and give that a toss in the hot water. You're also going to need some butter, oil, and vanilla, and some grated carrots, zucchini, and unsweetened shredded coconut. You're going to start by combining all of your dry ingredients together and then setting this aside. Next, you're going to cream together your eggs, sugar, oil and vanilla, and butter until it is nicely well combined. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you so much for your continued support. As always, you guys will be able to find the exact list of ingredients and measurements by visiting borrowdelights.com. You're now going to add in half of your flour to your egg mixture and stir that until well combined. You'll want to scrape down the bottom and sides of your bowl before adding in your pureed pineapple, raisins, and shredded coconut, and zucchini and carrots. You're going to turn your mixer back on and stir everything together until well combined. Next, you're going to add in your remaining flour. And again, you're going to turn your mixer back on and stir everything together. Again, give your bowl one final scrape down along the bottom and sides, and then you can start filling your muffin tin. As always, I'm using my ice cream scoop to do this. You can use a 1/4 cup measure if you don't have an ice cream scoop. And these are going to bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 35 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. They are golden brown and springy to the touch. These morning glory muffins are so delicious and moist. They are the perfect breakfast muffin. I hope you guys will enjoy this recipe. Please be sure to leave your comments below. Let me know how you enjoy this recipe. And of course, if you're not following me on Instagram yet, be sure to do so. I will have the link to my Instagram page and Facebook page in the description box below. So follow me on those social media platforms and share this recipe on all of your social media platforms as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!